Anthony Ferguson. I'm an artist by birth. Yeah. I actually make this stuff here. You know, all handmade, believe it or not. Turtles is actually like the world's best friend right now in this generation. That's what I noticed. So I always recommend them, you know, when they get a turtle, you could use a wooden turtle like a wooden toddler. You know, you could actually put it right there at your windows and, you know, let them witness the sunrise and stuff, you know. It's like a companion and stuff, you know. Yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces, turtle. But my number one favorite piece is like the hammerhead. Is a protector of the ocean, you know. He's a one-of-a-kind animal that he's a general of the ocean. So, you know, I make the hammerhead actually a masterpiece, a signature piece for my business. Custom piece takes from 3 days to 7 days, and you could choose anything that live in the ocean, and you could choose anything that live in the jungle. I walk you through, you know, and I actually do lessons. You know, I usually charge $45, so anything that you would like to work on, you could choose anything from the ocean or the jungle. It's millions a piece, and I could actually walk you through how to get it done. Our handmade art is getting on the map, you know, so come down here and embrace us and stuff, you know. We have a lot of nice different type of wood. We have 150 different type of wood in our forest and stuff that you could select which one you want to work with. You know, including the rosewood. You know, we have a lot of rosewood down here. The wood that I'm making the turtles, these turtles right here, this specific one, it drift from a different country, maybe Africa, Cuba, you know, Haiti. It looks like some cedar, soft cedar. Yeah, but it's all different selection of wood drift from the ocean every hour. Big turtles right here, deep when they finish. These like 2,000 belize, 100 US. It could be 1,000 belize, 500 US. Then we have smaller piece. We actually have smaller piece for like as low as $15, 20 US. You know, the fins them actually they're removable. They're removable for travel safety, so you could pack it. You could actually pack it and put in your suitcase, take it on the plane and stuff. Very convenient to travel, you know. All of them, even the small ones, is like this, you know. You could actually remove the fins, you could remove the stand, you know, so you could actually convenience to travel with it. You come find me at Palapa Bar and Grill. My gift shop is right there at the entrance. Or you could come at the baker, you know. Very delicious muffins and breakfast. You know, we get most of the people from the Alaya, a very famous reserve, that come and have breakfast at the baker, and I have a gift shop right in the front. So if you want to come and witness what I'm talking about and stuff, you come over, you know, and you will see all my hundreds of pieces and stuff. Come on to San Pedro, Belize. Just remember, I gotta make a salad bowl and 3 spoons for a lady.